I'm trying to I'm trying to improve my filming quality, and I don't want to make the same mistakes I made in the previous video. But actually it's very difficult because I don't have enough space to put the camera further away from my face. So this video is about making it work even though nothing is perfect. This video is about, look at where I am right now, look at that wall, look at that mess. I had a terrible time editing my previous video with my enormous face, and it was a 12-minute long video because I was tracking how long it took me to create a beautiful Art Nouveau stained glass piece, which is like, I'm gonna show you. How I call this? Look at this baby. Tell me it's not beautiful. You know? Because I have so much blue glass and because I have to light up my mom's life. I'm visiting her tomorrow. I thought, why not to make some, you know, this thing you hang up from the Christmas tree. So we're making Christmas balls, trees. Okay, I have made this very simple pattern and now I'm going to print it. Here I printed the pattern. You may not see it because, you know, because of the obvious, but I do. So that's what really matters because I am the one doing this. Ooh, that was close. What am I doing? Okay, now that we have our beautiful ornaments, we're going to be making this blue, and this we're going to be using this one. Now it's grinding time. We're putting this baby away. It was a very, very easy, fast grinding. So we're bringing here some soapy water to soak our babies so we can start copper foiling. There we go. Look how pretty. Just because in my previous video I had a copyright claim, let me sing for you while I finish this process. Na 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 na.
this long scene.
I finished this beautiful Christmas decor, and I'm actually not finished. I want to add the final touch, which is the angel calling. This ornament right here is nothing like the style I'm going for with my art. It's nothing like something I would do for myself or for the channel purposes either. It's basically a present for my mom. My point of reflection here is not even about that. It's more about what do we do when we don't feel inspired or we feel tired, but we know we only have a limited time to actually work on our passion and to make something work. And now I am really trying so hard to make this work. One day I will be able to quit my job and to make a living from art. I am so grateful that I sit to work and don't let emotions win the battle, because today I was not in the mood to sit down and do this, but then I thought, why not? Why not? Like, look, at least I did something. It's not my vibe, it's probably not yours, but I keep learning. I keep getting better. I keep showing up for myself. That what's matter the most. Okay? We need a little bit of yubi. Yubi. So pretty.